Hello, welcome to Master ML at I. So, um, the last video we have showed about what are all the essential tools that's required for you to learn the Python. So, underline that word, okay? Learn the Python. It's not for make you to work in the Python. But this time, I'm going to cover in briefly about our first program. Basically, to give you a little bit introduction, so Python, what is Python and what is Jupyter Notebook and what is the Google Colab? Those are all the things that I have explained in the last 15 minutes video. I'll give the link below for you to take a look at that if you have not done earlier. So in this unit, we are going to cover a simple program for you to go through and get some familiarity with the notebook, the Google Colab notebook. Okay, so it's not Hello World program. Okay, so it's always people start with Hello World, so let's go in a different direction, that it's not Hello World. So basically, the imagine you have a special notebook. Okay, it's like Jupyter, where you can write and draw things using the magic tool, that's called the terminal, which I'm gonna cover it in a few minutes. The terminal is like a secret door to talk to the computer. Okay, right? So please do practice with this Google Colab environment. What is the file names, what are all the options that's available in this, what is the view button does, what's the insert is for, what's the runtime is all about, and what are all the keyboard shortcuts that you can set it up for you to work through this collaboration tool. So before going on to this adventure, practice using your notebook and the secret door. So the secret door is the terminal. If you're not comfortable yet, please, no, don't rush, don't do anything except just get familiarity and comfortable with this environment. So let's go to the Jupyter network. Okay, so I'm in a Jupyter network and type a special text into the cell. It's like the secret code, right? So I have a print: hello universe, hello Milky Way, hello black holes, hello Earth. I'm not saying world, Earth. Hello to you, and hello from Mastro ML at I. So it's basically ML and AI, artificial intelligence, is what I made it this way. So you can just run this code directly from here, which will print you, or which has the inbuilt Python frameworks in this collaborative tool, and it will print as it is. So in your side, please start writing the similar way. So the it's a mystical world, Jupyter, right? um so I've just put my thoughts over there, like your Jupyter window might not look like the same, because I don't know what version you're gonna work on, or what when you start looking into this particular video. I don't know, it could probably be 5 years beyond that. I don't know how it's gonna be, right? So as long as you have the code and the text, you are you can follow me what I'm saying. So there is no line numbers here. Keep a note that, okay, you don't need the line numbers. And um, begin your incatenation with print, because that's the one you can start with. So you learned Python with one built-in function called print. um, and you can do like, you go here, and if you press shift, yep, sorry, once again, shift return, it will run. So you can do this way, or you can just go here and press shift enter, or shift return in Mac. This will work. Okay, so as I said, let's go back to the next one, which is another program where it is actually already showing what's the error is, but I have deliberately did something. You see, what is the error? Yeah, you should be knowing this now. So I missed the double quotes at the end. If I put the double quotes, no problem, but I deliberately wanted to see what it's gonna do. Okay, so I'm pressing shift return. What happened? So it's saying me, look at this kind of indication from Python. that syntax error, unterminated string literal detected at line 1. Okay, so in this line 1, this is something that is complaining about. So imagine you're casting a spell in your Jupiter cell. You hit shift enter and boom, the magic happens. But wait, what's this? Yeah, an error appears like a grumpy dragon guarding the treasure. Haha. So Python points its pixelated finger and says, "Hey kid, there is a trouble on line 3." Actually, it's not line 3, it's line 1. It says that's what it says. Right. So it's on the line 1. Okay. I've written it line 3 just to, tweak you guys. It's like teacher catching you passing notes in a class. Python shines a spotlight on that line of code. "Look, everyone," it says. "There is where the mischief happens. But, something's missing. Like a superhero without that cap?" Yeah, maybe. I don't know. So, so this character is called carrot. Okay, it's not a rabbit's carrot, it's a carrot to the mix. Okay, it's like a detective pointing to exact spot where things went wrong. Okay, and guess, we have missed the double quotes at the end, so that's the culprit. So to make you understand better, Python's final act is like, it screams it's a syntax error, and it gives you some details about what is that error is all about. So what you can do is you can copy paste the error and search it in the Google, or you put it in the Copilot. You can able to look at what is happening, and you can fix the error just by understanding what is the error is. And you can just go here and do this and run again. That's it. So your error is, boom, it's gone out. All right. So just to make this is it's a pretty simple thing that we have just covered about what's the print statement is, and what's an error that you may get it, how the error is notified in this particular Google Colab. And for you to think more about it, I've given some kind of exercise. So print more lines, like would you be able to print more lines, like imagine your script is like a talkative parrot. To make it say more, just add another line with a magical print spell. And then selective whisper. Sometimes you want your parrot to whisper only one secret. Use the print spell on just one line. So I'm giving you an exercise in such a way that you have to write multiple lines of print. So when you print it, I want to see multiple lines. I want to see only one single line of the statement. And then I also want you to, go through how you can do this using a hint I gave you. Like there is something called escape characters. So you can go take a look at and how you can make use of this to print multiple lines. All right, so there ends our unit 1. It's a pretty simple, small thing. So we will come back to the next set of things with more advanced topics. So going forward, we will have a lot more information. Thank you so much for watching this. We'll catch you at unit 2. Bye.